Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic portable Bluetooth radio. This is an RF-D30BT and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this radio is not responding or frozen, or if it's not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting, or if it's not pairing, if you're having any kind of issues like that you're trying to fix, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to set it up again because everything will be restored to its out-of-the-box settings. But if you want to do that, we can go ahead and proceed. It's quite easy. All we're going to need to do is we're going to find this menu button here, and we're going to press and hold it for 2 seconds, and that will open up the menu on the display screen on the front of the radio. From there, we're going to use these arrows to toggle through our options, and we're just going to toggle through down to System, and from System, we're going to hit the 3, which is the Enter button, and then from the System, we're going to toggle down to Factory Reset and hit Enter again. And then once we get to the Factory Reset, we're going to toggle down 1, and to get on the Yes to confirm it, hit the Enter again, and everything will be restored to its factory default settings.